What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing another review. It's gonna be from MA Performance. This is gonna be the GFB Bypass Valve with the Solenoid. That's from MA Performance. This is gonna be my boxing review for this, and I'm gonna show you what's inside the box from MA Performance. Alright. GFB. Holy cow. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is gonna be the bypass valve. This is something that is not gonna void your warranty in any way, shape, or form. It's gonna be very impossible for them to actually determine this is gonna be something that's gonna mess with either the engine or anything with the throttle responses, though. But speaking of throttle responses, this is supposed to be bigger throttle response from that, though. But this is what the box entails, guys. Cool. Products. Okay, cool. GFB Turbo Management Systems. Installation, pretty much how it works. It's pretty sweet. Nice. This is it. It's pretty nice. It's got some little weight to it, though. Ooh, this little plastic piece. What does it say? Hold piston. Okay, so hold piston and remove clip. Ah, I see. And this is going to be the solenoid. This is going to be the solenoid. It's going to attach to here. So, alright, guys, stay tuned for before after clips with and without the solenoid.